customer complaint of a screeching noise while idling that increased with the turning of the wheel or accelerating, which we now have determined is the power steering pump. On this model is extremely easy to change. The hardest part is getting the belt off, but I'll leave a full video on the channel of us replacing that. Now, that customer also complained when they hit the brakes, they'd get a fluttering feeling to where the brakes weren't grabbing or releasing properly, which we now have determined is the front right caliper, which we will also have a full video on the channel.